This is late night. We just had met. We've never met each other.
We've never met before.
And you.
The past perfect refers to a time earlier than before now. It is used to make it clear that one event happened before another in the past. It does not matter which event is mentioned first. The tense makes it clear which one happened first. How to form past perfect? The verb had plus the past participle of the main verb.
Couldn't be nicer and sweeter and.
Comparative adjectives are used to compare differences between the two objects they modify, like larger, smaller, faster, higher. They are used in sentences where two nouns are compared.
And we were talking, and I just gave you a compliment, and then.
To give somebody a compliment, to praise or express admiration for someone. You can pay someone a compliment or compliment someone on a job well done. People sometimes use the phrase compliments to the chef after enjoying a good meal.
We don't ever want to embarrass our guests, so please.
Embarrass, to cause someone to feel nervous, worried, or uncomfortable.
Thank you for coming back, and I appreciate that.
Appreciate, to be grateful for something.
But then I feel like the show had a great vibe because everyone was in hysterics.
Yeah,
and
we're
the
all
energy
loose.
was like, but then I feel like the show had a great vibe.
Vibe, the mood or character of a place, situation, or piece of music.
Because everyone was in hysterics.
In hysterics, laughing very hard.
You have had a giant year.
Yes, I have.
Giant, extremely large, strong, powerful, or important, especially when compared to similar persons or things.
That sounds like fun.
It
though.
was fun. I got to ride a horse, I got to learn to waltz, and then I had singing lessons, and then rehearsals. So it was like, I got to ride a horse, I got to learn to waltz.
Waltz, a formal dance in which two people holding each other move around a large room, turning as they go, or a piece of music with 3 beats in a bar written for this style of dancing.
And then I had singing lessons, and then rehearsals. So
Rehearsal, a time when all the people involved in a play, dance, etc. practice in order to prepare for a performance.
Yeah. So
it
now,
was cool.
could you ever waltz now or ballroom now if you?
Ballroom, to dance in a large room that is used for dancing or other activities.
I mean, I could like stumble my way through something reasonable.
Okay.
Yeah, stumble my way through something.
Stumble through, to progress through some performance or recitation with great difficulty or in an awkward, faltering manner.
I mean, I could like stumble my way through something reasonable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Reasonable, acceptable, satisfactory, or not bad.
So she decides to wear a camera all the time. That means that everyone in the world can see what she's doing
At all times.
24 hours a
You
day.
have no privacy.
No privacy.
Privacy, the state of being alone or the right to keep one's personal matters and relationships secret.
And man, oh man, you're great in it. And Hanks, I mean, you never see him as a villain.
How weird, I know, how weird is it to see him as the bad guy?
It's just Hanks, I mean, you never see him as a villain.
Villain, a bad person who harms other people or breaks the law, or a cruel or evil character in a book, play, or film.
Weird, I know, how weird is it to see him as the bad guy?
It's just
Weird, strange and different from anything natural or ordinary. Pay close attention to the native speakers and see how they are using intensifiers and adverbs a lot.
it was shot beautifully, and I want to say, not that it really matters to anybody.
I'm just so grateful that people...
That doesn't make. I know you're really excited about that.
with how incredibly powerful this company is. And it
that-
was so sweet. But then I feel like the show...
You were phenomenal in that movie.
Phenomenal, extremely successful or special, especially in a surprising way.
It was so heartbreaking to watch. I was just.
Heartbreaking, causing extreme sadness.
I root for you, and I love you, and I know